Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn Now, your learning partner. In our previous video we have learned right join in depth. Today we'll be taking a deep dive into full outer join with real-life example. So let's get started. What is full outer join? An outer join is a type of join that includes not only the matching rows from the two tables being joined, but also the non-matching rows from one or both tables. This means that even if there is no match between a row in the left table and a row in the right table, the outer join will still include that row, either by filling in null values for the columns of the non-matching table or by duplicating the matched rows. Suppose we have two tables, employee and department. Employee table contains employee information and department table contains department information. We can use the full outer join to get all the rows from employees and department, including the employee who are not assigned to any department and including the department who are not assigned to any employee. Here's the SQL code for a full outer join between the customer and department tables. This code will return a new table that contains all of the columns from both the employee and department tables, all matching rows from both table and unmatched row from both the tables. In the result table, if there is no match between the department ID in the department table and the department ID in the employee table, that row from employee will also appear in the result table but with null values. If there is no match between the department ID in the employee table and the department ID in the department table, that row from department will also appear in the result table but with null values. And that's it for this video on full outer join in SQL. I hope this example has helped you understand how to use full outer join to combine data from two tables. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.